How to activate chat heads in Messenger on iPhone. Chat heads are a popular feature on Messenger that lets you easily access conversations while using other apps. Unfortunately, chat heads are not natively supported on iPhones like they are on Android. However, there are some workarounds that can help you manage your chats more effectively. In this guide, I'll show you how to use chat heads-like features on Messenger for iPhone. Let's dive in. Launch your Messenger. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now at the top left, you'll find three bars. Click on it. Now click on the settings icon. The Then options will appear. Navigate to the option of notification and sounds. Now, toggle off for the option of do not disturb. Then enable for these options. After you do this, close this. Launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of notifications. Find the app Messenger. Open it. Now toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Likewise, enable for the option of banner style, sounds and badges. After you enable for all these options, now whenever you receive message on your Messenger, you will be notified. Also, you will get the sound pop-up. While iPhone doesn't support chat heads like Android, this alternative method can help you manage your Messenger conversation more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.